Right, so we have uh, a lot of new features, a lot of words to do, but to wrap this up, I would like to show you how uh, we can manage the documentation. So as a developer, one of the first tools that I used to test my endpoint was Postman, and it works really great. But what about a different tool, which is called Swagger? Uh, which is the best? Which are the difference? So I have a couple images in my computer, and one of them is Swagger Editor. So let's run this Docker container. All right, so let's open our web browser and let's go to localhost 9090. Great. So even though I can test my endpoints from here, I can manage my documentation, and I like a lot because the first thing I like the most is I can document my modules. Okay, so in the left part of my screen, I have my JSON source code lines, and let's go to the almost the end of the files, and from here, from the definition, I start to create my documentation for every module. So as you can see, you can check my what fields I'm using, what data I expect from each of them. Okay, so about my REST API in Ruby on Rails, I'm using 4 modules. For manage the my orders, the module is called order temp. Of course, I need to apply some rules of databases. Okay, but from this early stage of the project, order temp has been very useful. In future version, I will split this functionality into orders module and meals and clients as well, using reference, for example. Okay, but this is a starting point. Okay, and also from here I can document what endpoints are working on. For example, in meals, I only working with the get meals endpoint. Okay, and what is the response I hope to get. Also in order terms, I'm using the get order terms and post order terms between other. For example, this and this one are not ready right now, but I'm working on it. And also the endpoints related to clients. This is an amazing tool. Also, this output is managed across this source code, and this one may be exported as a YAML file and as a JSON. So as a matter of fact, in my repository, I think in the backend, you can find these files to access to it. I think these are, let me check, in the, let me see, in the experimental branch. Yes, let's check it out. Okay, check out experimental, and from here we need to find this one, this Swagger. This directory contains the files to run in your own environment, these endpoints and also these modules. All right. So I think this is the file pre-alpha, and you can check it because the other ones are just this. But for sure, Swagger is a good choice in order to manage our documentation, and the idea is to share this with the front-end developers and with the other back-end developers. I think this is a great tool to keep to keep working on it. So that's it for this series, and in the next series we will work on the bugs that we need to fix and a lot of hand-ons function that we have been working on it. So I'll see you in the next video.